This is day 2. It's 3 o'clock right now. We are almost through the day. Right now we are at Walmart to shop some starting items like fires. We are not buying fire starter. We are just here to shop some items for tomorrow's trip. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to an amazing place. Before we start our journey, I'm gonna go grab us a rental car because my car, I don't want to take it over there. I don't want to add the KMs in it, and it's just rental cars are more luxurious, I would say.
I'm not sure how I'm looking, but yeah, today is the day. We are going for a short one-day trip to this is at the back side. I can see how much preparation we have done. So the breakfast is ready, bread rolls, everything is being packed. Paneer, we are going to maybe do the barbecue, so we have taken the barbecue as well. The coal, yeah, I got that. Remember the coal, the beach bag, newspapers, garbage bag, everything is ready. We are just waiting for Setu so that when he comes we can just pack all of these things and start our trip right away. So see you guys in the car, and I hope the trip is really very good.
Instead of loving her, to me, to me, to me, instead of loving her, to me, to me, to me, another story. Instead of loving her, yeah, to me, to me.
ये कॉटन कैंडी ले वो है
प्राइस है नहीं, ये तो इसकी प्राइस होगी।
ये भाई ले ले, एक ले ले, मेरे लिए ये ले ले।
भैया आप अपना पकड़ो।
हाँ भाई,
चोरी तुमने
okay. I am at the station. We have 45 minutes to spend over here.
हाफ एन आवर क्या करेंगे? ट्रेन तो देखेंगे। कितना देखेंगे यार?
चला ही ले, अपन ही चला लेते हैं।
ये सही में आधा घंटा है, हमें बस कुछ करना है। हमको ऐसे बोल सकते हैं कि हम तीनों तो ले, हम तीनों या हम तीनों ले ही जाओ। प्लीज ऐसे रिक्वेस्ट।
ज़्यादा पैसे ले ले।
ये या लास्ट।
Hours? One each?
No, not one each. One.
Thank you, thank you. भाई बैठा दिया अंकल ने। मैं जा रहा हूँ आगे।
ओके ठीक है, जाओ। तो मैं इस पे आ जाऊँ?
हाँ। Last night?
Last weekend.
Last weekend.
Well, that'd be the long weekend, though, eh?
Three tickets, $17, $7 each. 2024, September 5th. It's a train ride. I headed to Muskoka train ride. It basically consists of three things: the museum, the village, and the train. We're gonna do the train right now. We might go to the museum, not sure.
McIntyre on CKPB on the
But hey,
Oh yeah.
let the train at the beginning. We still have 15 minutes on our hand, and once the train starts, I'll start the video. Yeah, I'm trying to keep them happy. I don't want to be there. It's gonna give for a whole train ride.
I'll do your ticket.
Late? Date. Thank you. Alright, tickets are booked in. Let's go. That makes life so much better.
Now that shouldn't be any argument now, eh?
Oh no.
Oh wow, yeah. That's stupid.
Water is pretty clean, but we are upset. Turns out that particular forest park trail does not allow charcoal burners. So we gotta find some place which allows charcoal barbecues. We're just hungry, okay? I just found a spot to park. I have amazing view. They're finding it where we are supposed to go in the car. My head is paining. The view is awesome though. We have finally reached to a location. The camera is in awkward position. They're setting up the camp over there, just food stuff. I'm setting up the barbecue, the top and bottom. They already have the bottom. They're setting up everything. I'm gonna fix this so we can cover the lid. Alright, the top is quickly set it up. They already started the fire. They managed to put fire. नहीं डालते हैं.
क्यों?
नहीं डालते हैं.
क्यों पानी नहीं डाल?
मिट्टी डालेंगे मिट्टी.
ये लगा दूं?
लगा दो.
देखा आपने लापरवाही का नतीजा है.
कौन से स्टिक्स? नहीं.
इतना आग कैसे लग गई बे?
ये सब क्या देखना पड़ रहा है? अच्छा है मैं अंधा हूँ.
या मुझे तो क्लोज मत करो, धुआं होगा. वो ऐसे पक जाएगा, धुआं बहुत होगा ब्रो. करें उसमें थोड़ा पानी डाल के.
वाह, what a life.
भाई वो जला हुआ क्यों ले रहे हो? अच्छा पीस लो ना तुम.
नहीं जला भाई, रोस्टेड बारबेक्यू क्या बोलते हैं?
ये अच्छा लग रहा है उसके मुकाबले.
अच्छा भाई, ये ले भाई ये. ये क्या चटनी?
हाँ खा के
Nice.
सारा प्रिपरेशन हमने करा है.
Oh, amazing experience. They're having their own fun. First time doing barbecue. I'm really proud of what we did. In short, we made 4 recipes or dishes. First was sweet corn, second was paneer, third was noodles, and the fourth was sweet potato. For me, paneer was number 1, sweet potato at number 2, corn was down there, and noodles number 3. Day 2